Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're taking you on a culinary adventure like no other. Get ready to explore the world of global street food mashups, where we're fusing the flavors of different countries to create mouth-watering delights. From Taco Sushi to Poutine Tacos, we've got a menu that will tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary horizons. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, we have a fusion that's truly a fiesta in your mouth, Taco Sushi. Imagine the best of both worlds, the freshness of sushi combined with the bold flavors of a classic taco. We're using sushi rice as the base, and then loading it up with seasoned ground meat, vibrant salsa, creamy guacamole, and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll it all up in a tortilla, and you've got a handheld delight that's perfect for any occasion. Next on our fusion journey, we're bringing together the iconic Canadian poutine and the beloved Mexican taco. Introducing Poutine Tacos. We're stuffing our taco shells with crispy French fries, squeaky cheese curds, and rich gravy. And to add a Mexican flair, we're topping it off with tender shredded beef and a drizzle of chipotle aioli. It's a fusion that'll make your taste buds do the salsa. Now, let's take a trip to the Korean-Mexican fusion corner with our Kimchi Quesadillas. We're layering tortillas with spicy kimchi, succulent shredded chicken, and a generous helping of gooey cheese. To add an extra kick, we're drizzling it with homemade gochujang sauce that's bursting with flavor. It's the perfect example of how two cuisines can come together to create something truly unique. Finally, we have falafel tostadas, a Middle Eastern Mexican fusion. Last but not least, let's dive into the world of Middle Eastern Mexican fusion with our falafel tostadas. We're starting with crispy tostada shells and layering them with golden brown falafel balls. Then, we're adding a dollop of creamy tahini and a generous spread of hummus. Top it all off with fresh cucumber and tomato salsa, and you've got a fusion masterpiece that'll transport your taste buds to new horizons. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of global street food mashups that are sure to dazzle and delight. From the bold and colorful flavors of taco sushi to the comfortingly unique poutine tacos, these fusion creations bring the world to your plate. So why not get experimental in your kitchen and give these mashups a try? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which fusion you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.